This is a new Graphene OS running on a Pixel smartphone. Graphene OS is a privacy and security-focused mobile OS with Android app compatibility. It enhances privacy and security, including substantial improvements to sandboxing, exploit mitigations, and the permission model. Graphene OS will never include either Google Play services or another implementation of Google services like MicroG. However, it's possible to install Play services as a set of fully sandboxed applications without special privileges via a sandboxed Google Play compatibility layer. Now, in this video, I will show you how to install Graphene OS on your Android smartphone. Since Graphene OS is only available for Pixel devices, and these are the list of supported Pixel smartphones. The only requirement for this video is a computer running Windows, macOS, or Linux with internet connection, and lastly, a Google Pixel device. For this demonstration, I will be using a Pixel 7a running the latest Android version 14. Now let's get started with de-googling the Pixel device by installing Graphene OS. Now this process will wipe your Android smartphone, so make sure to back up your important files and data from your Pixel device. Now go to Settings, select Passwords and Accounts, and sign up from your Google account. Then remove biometrics such as login passwords or fingerprints. Then navigate to the About page and tap on the build number 7 times to activate the developer options. Now go to System, Developer Options, and enable OEM unlocking and USB debugging. Then connect your Pixel device to the computer via USB port. I will be using a Windows laptop to flash Graphene OS on my Pixel 7a. Now on your Windows computer, open the search bar and open the Device Manager. If you notice that your computer cannot detect the Pixel device, follow these steps to fix the issue. Now open your web browser, go to the Google USB driver download page and download the driver. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file. Now inside the extracted folder, find the file named as Android_WinUSB. Right-click on it and select Install to set up the USB driver. Now open the Device Manager and you can see the computer has detected the Android device. If you're using a Linux computer, you need to install the package to set up Android SDK drivers. For macOS, no additional step is required as it will detect the device automatically. Now go to the Graphene OS website and click on the Installation button. The site supports 2 installation methods, Web USB and CLI based. I'm going to choose the Web USB based installer because it automates everything and eases the installation procedure of Graphene OS. Now be sure to read the provided instructions. Now the website will show the operating systems supported and officially supported web browsers for the web install method. Now, using Chrome or Edge is recommended for better results. Now scroll through the instructions and ensure OEM unlocking is enabled on your device, which we have done already. If you're using Debian or Ubuntu, you need to execute a specific command. Now to boot the device into the bootloader interface, you can follow the instructions on the website. To boot your Pixel device into bootloader or fast boot mode, press the power and volume up at the same time. Then using the power menu, click on Reboot. While it's rebooting, hold the volume down button until it enters into the fast boot mode. Now you can see the status of the bootloader. Currently, my Pixel 7a bootloader is locked. To unlock it, click on the Unlock Bootloader button on the Graphene OS website and your browser will detect your Pixel device. If it fails to detect, reconnect your device. Choose your Pixel device from the list and click on Connect. You will see a message indicating that the bootloader is unlocked. However, on your Pixel device, use the volume keys to highlight the Unlock Bootloader option and press the power button to confirm. And that's it, the device bootloader is now unlocked. Now click on the download button on the Graphene OS website. Your computer automatically downloads the image file based on your Pixel model. Now sit back, relax, and don't interrupt your computer during this process. Once the download is complete, it's time to flash Graphene OS. Before clicking the flash button, make sure no applications or programs are running on your computer other than the web browser. Also, close all other tabs in your browser. Then click on Flash Release, and it will start flashing the Graphene OS on the Pixel device. Your device may reboot a couple of times, and the process may take some time, so be patient. After Graphene OS is installed on the Pixel device, it's time to lock the bootloader. Now click on the Lock Bootloader button. On your Pixel device, you will see this screen. Use the volume keys to highlight the Lock Bootloader option and press the power button to confirm. And that's it, the device bootloader is now locked. Now click on the power button to start booting the Pixel device into Graphene OS. Now while it's booting, you may see an ID. Now compare this ID against the official Graphene OS verified boot key hashes to confirm that you have flashed the correct Graphene OS and that nothing was tampered with during the installation process. Now go ahead and disconnect your USB cable and set up Graphene OS. Voila, we have successfully installed Graphene OS on a Pixel device. Let me go ahead and enable the smooth display. Now, if you want to use Google Play services, open the apps and set up the Google Play Store. On Graphene OS, it runs as a regular sandboxed application with no special access or privileges. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can de-Google your Pixel device by flashing Graphene OS. Let me know what do you think about it. If you have any questions or queries, drop them below. I will try to help you. Thanks for watching. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you in the next one.